All right, let's create a mood board. What is a mood board? Let's find out in my new book, Design Your Future. A mood board is a visual tool used in design to capture the essence of a collection or a brand or a concept. Look at it like a collage. If you were designing a new collection, right? You'd have to think of, well, what new colors, what new shapes, what new silhouettes, what new proportions, fabric, color, texture, and all that. You got to create a collage to help you visualize the direction of your collection, of your brand, right? So that's what a mood board is. On a personal level, you can create a vision board. What is a vision board? Well, a vision board is a physical or digital representation of your goals, desires, and intentions. So, when I started Fashion Premier Academy a few years ago, I had to think of, okay, what is this platform all about? What do I want to say? What should I include? So I started putting all these pieces together, my YouTube channel, my digital downloads, books and courses, etc., to help me create a visual direction of my future. So it's all here in Design Your Future on Amazon. Go get it.